Hello everybody, this is my New Year's Eve firework stash for 2011. Start this end with a bamboo candle from Panda, which is an old firework. 25 carat from Vaco, Firefighter from Vaco. Halley's Comet from Ben Star Fireworks. Mission to Mars, Cosmic Astra. Cosmos from Ben Star. Ipanema from Vaco. Red Goblin from Cosmic Astra, Hell's Fury from Cosmic Astra, Hellfire from Cosmic Astra, Thunderclap Fountain, which is very good, one of the best combination fountains I've seen. We've got Meteor Rockets from Absolute Fireworks, ball head rockets, as you can see, 18 of those, different effects, including rings. Down the front we've got Cocktail of Rockets from Vaco, different effects, and we got, to finish the thing, a bazooka bomb, whistling air bomb, and then start the display at midnight, a gelling rocket, ring of air bombs. I always like to start with a bang. This one's called Golden Whirl. So there we have it. So hopefully if the weather holds, we're firing those at midnight tonight. Hopefully get some video of them as well if I can. Thank you for watching my video, and I'll say a Happy New Year to all my friends on YouTube and Facebook. Bye for now.